guys, good morning. Yan, so nandito kami sa Walmart. Papasok kami. Ayan, kasama ko nanay ko. So flex ko lang umaga. Doble-dobling jacket. Mas para hindi sipunin. Yan, paumaga na siya. Uy! Oh! Yan, medyo dito mainit. So magsa-summer na pero dito malamig pa rin. So winter dito mga March pa. Starting siguro mga March 19. Welcome back again sa aking channel. So magla-lunch kami dito. So meron ditong Asian food. So this is North Carolina, Charlotte. Yeah, this is Osaka, text ko lang. Yeah, this is Osaka and San Felipe Mexican restaurant in China buffet. So they have an egg soup. Yeah. Just look at here. So, this is my mom, his friend Brooke. So this is buffet. Yan. Ayan. Wow. So check out buffet. So it is Chinese restaurant buffet. Yan. So kain tayo. So take a lunch. Yan. This is mushroom. This one. Just take like this. How much is it? Oh. Some broccoli. Wow. So, what is this, ma?
Barbecue pork.
This is barbecue pork. This is unlimited. Oh, so unlimited siya, guys.
Buffet.
Yeah, yan. So, unlimited buffet. Yes. So, nasa Chinese buffet tayo. So, we are here in Chinese buffet. So, yan. Fresh na fresh. Broccoli. Yeah. That's when it's good. Oh. This one. So, we have... Yep. Okay, so I have the shrimp, meatballs, or seafoods delight. So let's take another one. So try this one, just a little bit. Yeah, that's good. And then how about this one? So they have a fry. I don't think so. What is this? Alright, what is this? So dumplings. It's a fried dumpling. Yan. So take another two. So favorite ko yung sushi. So I come back for the sushi. This one I want. Yeah, this is a seaweeds. Just take another two. Okay. So they have a desserts. Yeah. Desserts. Yep. Ano yan?
Noodles.
Noodles. Noodles yan. So kinuha ko ito. Yan. So sushi, my favorite. Then dumplings, fried dumplings. Which one?
Sausaw tsaka paminta.
So, this is paminta. So, China buffet. Yan. So, diyan kami kumain. So, simpleng vlog. Mabilisan 1 hour. So, yun yung Asian food restaurant sa Charlotte. Makikita yun sa North Carolina sa for $10.99 per tao. So, per human. Yan. So those are all Filipinos na nandito sa North Carolina and Charlotte. So, kung gusto nyo ng Asian food, yun, katulad yun ng China. So, China restaurant buffet. So, unlimited na po siya for $10.99. And then, if you want to get some Asian foods, the other one, so restaurants, so unlimited China buffet restaurant located at Charlotte, North Carolina, nearest to Walmart Charlotte. So, just only for $10.99. So, if you wanna eat, just go there. Okay? So, English lang. Kahit bako-bako, okay lang. No, diba? So tara lang nagtatry. So, okay na rin siya. So, parang lasang Pilipino lang din. So, ganun din yung mga bagay na na-try lang naman namin. No? Pero kung sa Pilipinas yan, unlimited yan. Ganun din yan. Lalo na mga sangyupsal. Don't forget to like and subscribe sa aking channel, lalong-lalo sa FB account ko na Alden Bacani. So, may kita nyo yan sa screen ko. At dito rin to sa JL.Inakablog, dito sa YouTube channel ko. So, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe po para nakasunod na tayo sa ating mga video na ginagawa. No? So, peace out na tayo. No? 3, 2, 1. Peace out.